Hey everyone, and welcome to a new episode of Green Minimalist Life. Imagine you wake up, walk into the kitchen and open your shelf to get freshly grown lettuce out of it. Sounds like a fairy tale? Well, a hydroponic system and companies like Farmshelf make it possible. So today I will talk about sustainable indoor farming and about hydroponics. So let's just get started. So just starting with the basic. What exactly is hydroponics? Hydroponics is a way how you can grow crops without needing soil. Instead of using soil, nutrition water allows crops to grow and flourish. And in addition to water, 4 other components are needed, namely light, substrate nutrition, a hydroponic system, and essential nutrients. The ultimate goal of hydroponics is to provide an optimal condition for the crops to grow in order to get the highest possible crop yields. And this is even possible indoors. But how does hydroponic systems actually work? So a hydroponic system basically consists of a plant container where the plant is placed above a water reservoir. The water reservoir has a nutrition solution where the root of the plants are suspended. The nutrition solution provides the plants with all the necessary minerals. Moreover, the plant is often fixed in a container by a substrate, which affects the supply of oxygen, water, and nutrition to the root. The most common substrates are rock wool, coconut fiber, or gravel. So, having explained what a hydroponic system is and how it works, let's have a look at the advantages of a hydroponic system. So there are many advantages that a hydroponic system can offer. First, hydroponics needs up to 90% less water compared to the conventional agriculture, as the water optimally circulates so that the amount needed is provided to the crop. Also, water can be recycled, which is why a hydroponic system is ideal in regions where little water exists. Second, hydroponics does not need much space and it allows vertical cultivation. Hydroponic plants need only about 1/5 of the space, as the roots are supplied directly with nutrition without needing more space or soil. Next, hydroponics allow higher yields per square meter, as several parameters can be monitored and controlled better, such as the supply of nutrition, water, and oxygen, and also other environmental factors like temperature fluctuations and so on. In addition, cultivation and harvesting are possible all year round through this indoor gardening. Lastly, and most importantly, hydroponics has many ecological advantages. Some of them, which I already mentioned, such as smaller cultivation areas and water is needed, as well as soil erosion is avoided. Another great ecological benefit, though, is that little to no pesticides, herbicides, and insecticides are used, since you can also have a hydroponics at your own indoor garden or home as well. Better environmental balance are reached due to the short transport distances to the end customer. In contrast, traditional farming is very resource intensive. For example, the global agriculture uses over 70% of the world's fresh water each year, and it exposes around 6 billion pounds of pesticides into land. Through the efficient use of water, it accounts also for vulnerabilities like extreme heat and water scarcity, which is very likely to increase in the future through climate change. So, can I have a hydroponic system at home? The answer is yes. Through my research, I came across a company called Farmshelf. Like many well-known startups in San Francisco, Farmshelf was founded in 2016 in a garage by Andrew Shearer. Today, the headquarters are in Brooklyn, New York, where already more than 250 Farmshelves exist, for business but also individual purposes. So Farmshelf wants to make it for everyone accessible to grow their own food regardless where you live, or whether you have a garden or not. The company has created a shelf which allows indoor farming through a hydroponic system. Next to the shelf, Farmshelf provides its clients with nutrition, water, and guidance through this whole process. The plants thus grow in a nutrition-rich solution under LED lights, which is also possible through a shelf that can also stand in your kitchen. So to sum up, a hydroponic system has many environmental, logistical and nutritional advantages. With the challenges of climate change and a rising global population, I believe that hydroponics can help to overcome some of these challenges through a controlled environment and more efficient use of resources. In addition to all the aforementioned benefits, the yield and nutritional value of hydroponic is higher than conventional farming. So also a health benefit for everyone. So what do you think about hydroponics? And also, would you buy a Farmshelf for your home? Let me know in the comments below. So that's from my side today. I really hope you enjoyed today's content. If you're new to this channel or if you want to receive updates on sustainability topics, feel free to subscribe my channel. See you next time.